This box is absolutely chocked full and it's £35. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have another Glossybox unboxing. We are going to unbox the limited edition in collaboration with Heat magazine summer box. I've done one Glossybox unboxing before and I was so impressed by the box. I started off as quite a skeptic and I was so impressed by the product and the value in the box, so I'm hoping that today's box is going to be just as good. The summer box is in collaboration with Heat magazine, as you can see, and it contains 11 products. All of the products add up to being over £100 worth of value, but the box itself is only £35, which is insane. The value is the biggest thing that I was impressed with before, and this box, we already know, has serious value when you add all of the products together. The theme of the box is actually summer, and the products I am therefore expecting to be kind of summer themed, you know, things that you wouldn't necessarily use at other points of the year. So I have no clue what's in here. We're going to have a look, and fingers crossed it's going to be as impressive as the other ones I've seen. As always, the presentation, you got to hand it to them. As usual, inside there is a product card. These are really, really good because not only does it tell you about the product, it tells you the price of the product. And I like to get value for money. So knowing the actual RRP of a product, knowing the value of the product so you can prove that you're getting a good deal is really, really important. And by the looks of it, I can see there are so many products in this box, so we need to get into it. Okay, we might as well start with the first product. This box is absolutely chocked full and it's £35. Oh my god. First product is from a brand that I know. This is OK, and they are a Korean beauty mask brand. They mainly deal with masks. And this is something that I have never heard of before. It is a peppermint leg mask. Leg mask? I have never in my life have I ever heard of a cool tired leg. So again, I said I'm expecting something for summer, and this is definitely hitting the summer theme. Okay. So obviously this is a full-size product because it is a mask and it is usually £7. This is actually really, really interesting. So the little sheet that gives you information says these are really good for kind of revitalizing and cooling your legs down in the summer, which is quite good for either preparing your legs or after being out. And I have been out today walking in a park and my legs are boiling. I hadn't thought about it until now, but right now I can feel my calves and my feet are really, really hot. And actually leaving one of these on 10 to 20 minutes sounds like a pretty good deal. It's not something I'd ever thought of before, but actually that's spot on. It just shows like you can try out something that you would literally have never thought to try out before, and it sounds like a great deal. Okay, moving on to the second product in the box. It's another sheet mask type product, but it's just because those ones are stacked on the top of the box. Again, this is from Solista Beauty, which is another brand that I have actually heard of, and I think that is really important when you're getting subscription boxes. If the brands are brands that you know and they are household names, it means that you really know you're getting the value for money, and the quality of the products will be really good as well. This is actually the Correct and Calm Instant Facial, which again, it fits into the whole summer thing. If you've been out in the sun all day and your skin is feeling a bit warm, this has all of the ingredients in it to help you cool your skin after being out in the sun. Coconut and eucalyptus and witch hazel and all of those good things that really just help to kind of calm your skin down. So this sounds like it would be really, really perfect for the summer, and it is £7.99 and it's in the £35 box, so you're getting good value for money. Let's do the next product. Oh, Dr. Lip. I have heard such good things about these products. This is a Dr. Lip moisturizing color lip tint. So essentially it's like a lip balm with some color in it, which is really, really good for summer. Again, we have another full size, and a full size of a brand that I have like seriously heard of before. I have friends that use this brand all the time. This is £6.99. So again, these first few products have been kind of under £10, but I know for a fact that there are going to be some good ones coming up. This is 100% natural, which is really, really nice to know. There's a good mix of brands and products in here, and again, you can't go wrong. Everybody uses lip balm. Everybody can use the sheet masks and the face mask and the leg mask. Everybody can use those. So it's really, really good that, you know, if you're getting this box, you're not having to kind of skip out on products. They really, really are usable by everyone. My lips get dry all year round, and I have friends who absolutely love Dr. Lip. So to have this in the box to be able to try it out. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Okay, reaching in for the next product. Oh my goodness. This is Illamasqua. This is, again, one of my friends, the exact same friend that loves the Dr. Lib, loves Illamasqua. This is such a good brand. So what actually is this? Let's have a look. This is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer and is a full-size product, and it retails at £34. So let's think about that for a second. This is £34 if you were to buy it in the shop. And this box is £35, including shipping. If you go to buy this in the shop, you pay £1 less and you get one product. But if you buy it in the Glossybox, you get 10 other products for £1 extra, including the shipping. That's insane. Like, if you were to buy this online and pay shipping, you would pay more than the entire box combined. In summer, it's really, really hard to keep your makeup on, so you need a good primer. So there we have the connection to summer. And this, I imagine, is going to be such... Oh my god, look at this packaging. It's just so high-end. I don't even know how to open it. Whoa. What? This is insane. Can you see the products inside of here? It's literally like a gel. And I have absolutely no idea how to use this, so we're going to have to use a little product descriptor to kind of find out about this. So it actually tells you exactly how much of this to use, and you use this little spoon, 1 spoon of primer, and it will keep your makeup on all day. It has some really, really good ingredients, and that's one thing that is good about the product description, that you kind of know what you're getting and you get a little bit of information about the product. So it tells you it has algae and vitamin C and B to hydrate and calm your skin. I know that algae, it sounds kind of weird, but it's something that kind of keeps your skin like cooled and calm, and then obviously with the vitamin C, that's quite brightening, and the vitamin B thrown in there for good measure. This is going to be a really, really good primer for summer. Not only is it going to keep my face on all day, it has some kind of skincare benefits as well, which is really, really good. The next product in the box is, again, something that I have heard of time and time again. I used to work in a shop that sold this brand, and people used to ask me for lip coat all the time, and I'd be like, what is this? This woman said to me, this stuff will keep your lipstick on all day if you wanted to. I believe, yeah, so the original lipstick top coat. You put this over your lipstick, and it says here it makes it transfer proof, water resistant, really, really long lasting. You literally just put your lipstick on, blot with a tissue, and then put this over the top. In summer, makeup does not stay on as well. And something like this, it's just like the whole box makes your face foolproof for summer. It's really, really genius. And again, this is a full-size product. Oh, this is interesting. I actually have these. These are really, really good. The Invisibobble, if you don't know what it is basically a little plastic hair tie. It is, you can see they are like this. They are hair ties, hair bubbles, but they are invisible because they are made from clear plastic, and they have this kind of coil effect on them, which means when you tie your hair up with them, it doesn't ruin your hair. Say if I would tie my hair up right now with a regular bobble, I would get a mark and an indent all around my hair of where my hair's been tied up. But when you use an Invisibobble, they don't leave that mark. That is genius, because in summer we're always tying our hair up, and then if you tie your hair up in the day and then you want to go out later on, your hair would be ruined. So this is genius. This is absolutely genius. You can keep these in your bag all summer long, tie your hair up whenever you want, and not have to worry that your hair's going to be ruined. And again, this is obviously a full size, because this isn't a product, this is just 3 Invisibobbles, which, perfect. Oh, Hawaiian Tropic. I love Hawaiian Tropic. This brand is summer in a bottle. Okay, let's check. So this is actually a deluxe mini, which I really like about Glossybox. In a lot of subscription boxes, you get mini sizes that are more like travel sizes, and they have a couple of uses. Look at the size of this thing. So this is a deluxe mini. This is what I mean when I say you get your money's worth. So the full size of this product is 250ml. That has an RRP of £10, but this is actually 100ml, so it works out at around £6. So even though this isn't the full size of the product, this is still a huge size. This is a Golden Paradise fragrance mist, and the best thing about Hawaiian Tropic is the smell. And oh my god, it has the smell. Hawaiian Tropic smells like you are on holiday. I buy Hawaiian Tropic sun cream, factor 50 all the way, when I go on holiday, but even in the evening when, you know, it might be dark out, I still wear it as like a body lotion because it smells so nice. But now I don't need to do that because they make a fragrance mist. I had no idea. This is the great thing about Glossybox. I had no idea this exists, even though I am a huge Hawaiian Tropic fan and I use it every summer. And I've discovered a brand new product that I love. It's a massive, massive product. Again, we are doing every single brand in this box I have known. This is Dirty Works. I've never actually tried anything from before, but I do know the brand. So this is actually a body sugar scrub, but it's not just a scrub because it says on here that it foams. It actually says that you rub this into your damp body until it dissolves and starts to foam, and then you rinse it. So sometimes scrubs are a bit annoying because you kind of use them and they kind of just feel like nothing, but this actually foams up. I've never heard of a scrub foaming before, so I cannot wait to try this. And again, this is a huge product. It has an RRP of £6 and it is the full size. It's coconut scented, so it's the perfect scent for summer. Everything in summer should smell like coconut. And through summer, I am constantly applying fake tan and having to scrub it off. So this is most definitely a summer essential for me. The next product, again, I cannot believe this keeps happening. Lee Stafford is one of my favourite OG hair brands. I think the first ever salt spray I bought was Lee Stafford. It was the first ever hair product I bought. This is perfect for what I have been doing at the minute. So this is a shine serum, but it is the Poker Straight Shine Serum. And this is great because lately I have been wearing my hair straight, but in summer with humidity and, you know, potential changing weather, it can be a little bit hard to keep your hair smooth. I suffer from a lot of frizz at the top of my hair. So this perfect timing, honestly perfect timing. So this contains vitamins A and E, I'm reading from the product card, and it basically helps to condition your hair and smooth it down, but also it helps protect it from the sun, which I think is really important and something that not a lot of people think about in summer. You think about sun cream on your body and your face and everywhere like that, but you don't necessarily think about protecting your hair, especially as someone with kind of a bit of blonde in their hair. That is something that really I should be paying attention to. So this is perfect timing. I cannot believe this. I love to apply products to my damp hair. I apply about 3 or 4. So literally you just apply this onto damp hair and it makes your hair shiny and smooth and conditioned and protected. And honestly, couldn't be better timing. So this is a full size product. Again, full size. You go into the shop and you buy this and it is $7.99. Another brand I know. I can see the other brand in the box of the one last product, and it's another brand I know. So we have gotten through an entire box of products and there has not been one brand that I haven't heard of. This is honestly brilliant. This is Umberto Gianni, I think it's called, Umberto Gianni. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. This is another full size. Yeah. Honestly, it's $7.99 RRP and this is a full size product. This is the Umberto Gianni Grow Tonic, so like hair growth. This is proven to help your hair grow longer in 2 weeks. Proven. That's insane. It also says it's vegan and cruelty free, which is a good thing to know. You section your hair off and you put it into dry roots and then you massage it in. Honestly, this is really, really interesting. It says it is proved to make hair grow in 2 weeks, so I am very excited to try this out because I'm kind of going through this long hair phase at the minute and I might as well embrace it. The final product is something that actually I am really, really excited about. This is a brand that I see a lot when I'm on holiday, and this is a brand that, again, when I used to work in a shop, people would come in and ask for, and we didn't sell it, and for ages I didn't know what it was. It is called Lancaster, or Lancaster, I would say. I think Lancaster we're going with. And this is a golden tan maximizer, so it says it prolongs your tan for 1 month. This is a brand that I always see when I'm on holiday. This brand is like the brand you see everywhere. This is their #1 and people think it is incredible. I always see it as well in the airport on holiday. This is not even something that I thought you could really get here, so this is really, really interesting. So you actually put this on after sun exposure onto your face and your body, either or both, and it helps to prolong a natural tan, which is really interesting because It kind of ties in with the fact that I always see this on holiday, because if you've been on holiday and you come back and you've got a bit of a tan, you've caught the sun, and you want to prolong that nice glow to your skin. This is actually a deluxe mini, but again, it's a really, really generous product. The RRP of this size alone is £4, but the full size is 400ml, so it's much bigger and it's worth £29. So you can see that you're actually getting quite a lot of product, even though it's a deluxe mini. It's still a smaller size, but if you want to try this out, you know, considering the full size is £29, this is a much better way to try something. This actually has a tan activator complex inside of it, which basically helps your body produce more melanin, which means that you get more of a tan in normal people speak, without going into huge scientific descriptions. Basically, it helps accelerate any tanning that you've done, any natural tan that you have on your body. It will help to kind of maximize that and help it last longer, which we all want after being on holiday. And again, summer box, summer product. So that is all of the products that we have inside of the Glossybox Heat Summer Box. Again, I am massively impressed. This box is £35 and the value of the box is over £100, and that's including shipping. Even though this is sold out now, Glossybox do these boxes all of the time. They always do special collaborations. They have the monthly box as well. If you've never tried a Glossybox before and you're kind of wondering, is this worth the money? Although you can't buy this one because it's already sold out, they sell out really quickly, you can probably see why, but you know now for future collaborations that the boxes that you get are going to be good. I've had two now and both of them have been incredible. Over £100 worth of value in a £35 box. Like 11 products for £35, and all but two, I think, were full sizes. The products are all really, really good products. They're all brand names that I know, so you know that you can trust them. The value of the box is insane, and again, I am hugely impressed with this box. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, you can check out any links in the description to check out the box for yourself, check out Glossybox in general, and I will see you in the next video.